Hi everyone, this is Divyashree. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a hibiscus flower in an easy way. Let's begin by drawing a small oval. Draw 5 curved lines from the oval. Now we'll start drawing the petals based on the curved lines we have drawn earlier. Draw the stem. Draw the leaves. Erase the curved lines we have drawn before. Now we'll draw the style and the stigma. Once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or a sketch pen. Erase the pencil marks. Let's start coloring. Take yellow color and color the middle part of flower. Take red and fill the petals as I am doing in the video. Color along the outlines first and then fill the remaining part to avoid color going out of edges. Color the style. Using yellow color, color the stigma part. Take red again and add some lines on every petal. Take black and add some lines on every petal. Take green color and color the stem and leaves. Take dark green and shade along the stem and leaves. So, I hope you have learned how to draw a hibiscus flower in an easy way.